This is the customization. And once you apply the customization or click on the customization button, it will come. So this is called YouTube Studio. This is your backend studio. Now here we'll come afterward, but here we will come to the branding first. This is the branding part. So here I can upload a picture. Picture aa gaya. Now this banner image. Okay, this is the second in the part of the branding. This is the banner. Banner is what people will see in the background when they see your channel. When they come on your channel, how they will see. Now this, the dimension of this is this pixel, okay, 20481152 or 6 MB less. Now we will do this. Video watermark, I don't care. Let people share as many times, whatever they want, how many times. So I don't care. We'll go to the basic information. Here you can write your name, your handle, and write a description here. Okay? Now add language. You can add the language is what English, Hindi, whatever language you want your videos to be. Here you can write your translation language, whether you want the translation in which language. Now coming to the channel URL, this is the channel URL you should keep with yourself. Here you can add links. You can add your Facebook में जो आपका पेज है उसका आप लिंक यहाँ डाल सकते हो. Similarly you can write Insta. ठीक है, ये दो लिंक हमने ऐड कर दिए. कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप अपने कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं. सो वी विल राइट आपका जो कॉन्टैक्ट है, यू कैन जस्ट write hello@ whatever domain you have. So this email ID should be with you or with your team, so that anybody who want to contact or writing anything, it will come to your email ID. This all adds to the credibility or trust by the YouTube algorithm. Okay? Now here, after doing this thing, you just please publish it. Do not go anywhere, otherwise it will lost. So here publish it. So we'll publish it. First is the basic information, branding, and what we have covered. And in the layout, you can have channel trailer also. Okay, so in the features section, the YouTube mein there are a lot of features section which comes to the for the audience. For you is like people who kind of videos they will look, the algorithm will throw that kind of video from your videos. So आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. They have already made for you video, short video, past life, created list. They have already created. What I am telling you to create one more in the feature section, which is very critical. Create the popular video. Because जो आपका सबसे ज़्यादा चल रहा है, you want people to see that one, okay? And if you want to change the sequence of it, you can also change it and drop here, and it, like first it will come the popular video. ये हमारा पूरा branding cover कर लेता है, and then we publish it. So channel customization हो गया. Now you are properly in the channel's algorithm, everything is fixed.